Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve high disk memory usage when playing games on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So perhaps you're playing games on Steam, or you're using on some sort of other application or some other game you're having a problem with and it's acting very slow, it's lagging, it's unresponsive, and just generally your whole computer is acting very buggy or slow. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully increase your performance of your computer a little bit when you're having situations like this. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in services, best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the sys main service, SYSMAIN. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to set startup type to disabled, and then you want to stop the service. And then you want to select apply and OK. Close out of here. You also want to open up the search menu, type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up in the top right to large icons, and then you want to select power options. And underneath the plan section here, you may have to expand additional plans here as well. You want to locate the high performance plan. So select it, and then once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and close out of here. And you also want to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in chk dsk space /r, hit enter on your keyboard. It should say that check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Tap the Y key on your keyboard, hit enter, and now you have to save and close out of any open programs and applications on your computer and restart your device. Please note it'll prompt you if you want to skip the disk check, press any key on your keyboard. Do not click on any keys on your keyboard. I'm going to do it because it might just be 30 minutes of it just running a check disk scan here. I don't really want to make the video too long. So I'm actually going to just skip the disk checking. But in your case, let the check disk run. And then in combination with the other two things that we did earlier in the video, hopefully that should have been able to improve the performance of your computer. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.